Hello guys, this is Steve from Hangloom Portal. Today I'm gonna introduce you our Hangloom Self-Research 1A scale German Tiger completely metal full Hangloom tank model. Now, let's have a look. All the tools on the top. Let's take here. Machine guns on front, movable. Also here, also moving and also not. See that? Same side here also. And other. All of them. Even here. You try to grab it out. And not here. That pass you need when you drag it out. And here in front, you also have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 pieces of tracks. Some parts broken. You can take it out, screw here, and check it. So, this is also the controller for controlling this tank. When you install the battery in here, switch it on. Here, under the cover, left side, here also is the button to switch it on. When you switch it, the tank on, you can see the LED light in front is flashing. So, under this cover, here will show you the voltage of this tank, and this button for connecting the frequency with the radio control. Here is one more button. When you press it down, the candle turns down. Press up, candle turns up. And then also the same here. This is the machine gun sound button, so I open the volume a little bit higher. So, when you press this button, the machine gun is on. The front light flashing. The G for the G is for switch on and switch off the front light. Okay? When you press and hold this right side middle button and press the left side switch up, the shifting was the gun cannon recoil action. Button S is for the smoking button. You see the smoke comes out slowly behind the tank. Now let's get some batteries inside to shoot. This cover underneath is for putting the batteries inside. You see the infrared engine system? 3, 2, 1, fire! Then, what I mostly like also is about the suspension system in this tank for each single wheels. Now I try to show you how it will look like. It's sexy, isn't it? With the smoke here. So next time I will show you how this tank will running outside of the outlet.